Alex, how migration? Many have been asking me since I did a lot of videos on Sonic, how to actually migrate their Fantom to Sonic S tokens. And in this video, I want to outline that quickly for you because it's apparently pretty easy and we have gotten some new information on this. And I have shared this on X today. I posted about the migration. There is apparently a 90 days window where you can convert back and forth your FTM to S or your S to FTM back. And then it will be the final phase transition the FTM to S tokens. If you don't want to miss any of these updates in the future, make sure you subscribe to my channel already if you haven't done yet and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any update on Sonic. And people are asking still, price the same, migration, how, like the great questions, both price still same, if not swap. And yes, prices will be the same. That's important to know. And he also said that it's better to set up the transfer only one way. I disagree. I think this is great what the Sonic Labs does here because, as I said here, it could happen that, for instance, you were involved in the protocol on Fantom like Mummy or like Beethoven X or like some other, whatever you did there, right? And you bridge all your Fantom to the new chain and suddenly you figure out that you still need to sign a transaction to get out some old money or something, then you have a problem, right? You need some gas, and this is why it's great to have this way of transitioning. I really appreciate that from Sonic Labs. For me, this was new information. Some people told me also that this information has been out before, not really secret, has been published several times. I remember that there was an infinite window of back and forth transition, but let's go into it. Here we say overall migration. We know now that this new L1 chain Sonic will have this major update in infrastructure, and therefore it's a real new chain with a new start. And the migration goes the following. The mainnet is live, and it has been live since I think the 2nd of December. The mainnet of Sonic is actually producing blocks. So everybody that asks if the mainnet is live, it is live. However, there is no migration yet. So all the protocols are still on Fantom and you haven't been able to bridge any of your assets yet. If you want to add this Sonic network already to your wallet, I show you here in this video how to do it. It's super easy. And if you, if you don't want to miss when the migration is actually happening, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button to really help me out. I will publish a video as soon as migration is live. I will be the first one that live, or not live, but in a video here, maybe I go live. If we hit 100 likes, I will do it live. I will show you how to bridge your assets securely to Sonic network. And and after these, so then the migration period starts. First, it's a two-way swap between Fantom and Sonic, as I said before, and then we go to this window where it's only one way. And this is not defined when this will stop, so we still think that there will be a long time, and I anticipate at least until the end of next year, probably you will be able to transition to the new network. Or at least until the airdrop starts, maybe mid of next year. So and here we have some more information. So I will be the first one, day one, to do that with you. And then you can also go ahead and start staking with just one S. And we will also work on a validator. If you want to stake with us, we will create a validator node on Sonic where you can also allocate your Sonic very securely. And until then, I hope this helped you out. There is no migration yet. Please don't fall for any scam. and wait for my video or for the official announcement by Sonic Labs on how to do it. If you want to learn more about Sonic, check out my Sonic playlist here. And if you don't want to miss any important update in this crypto bull market, subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best. Your Alex.